More chiefs are coming in as we speak. More chiefs are coming in who are actually here to sympathize. We can still see the little girl welcoming the chiefs. The little girl, she's mostly to welcome them. Her dance is a welcome dance. We're still having a singing performance from the Kete group of Asafo. He is one of our chiefs. We are all here to sympathize with our beloved mother. So let's watch as they perform for us with the singing from the Kete group of Asafo. Wow, this is amazing. It's not really done anywhere to see a police beating the drums, the kete. This is with so much effort. He is a police from Suamehene. That's to show how sad he is. I think he's more like putting all sadness into the drum. So let's watch the performance from our dear police. This is how our 1 week in Ghana, in Ashanti region, is done. They are all sad, but this is the best way they can show their sympathy. NYANSAPO TV. Subscribe, like and share. We give you more of these, more education on our tradition and culture, how beautiful our Ghanaian culture is, and how much we love our culture. We are still having performance from the Kete and people still coming out to dance. It's a tragic dance though. You can see they are being sprayed money for their wonderful dance. These are our tradition. It's a sad moment, but this is the best we can do. They're having more performance on the Kete dance. These are our elders dancing. Elders of Suame. They are dancing. Wow. Now we have a lady dancing to the Kete beats. You can all remember King David, who danced to the same Kete beat. And he danced so well because he was excited. This is our culture in Ghana. They are not excited, but they need to make some moves. King David danced with all excitement till his robe fell because he was so excited to dance. So let's watch the beautiful performance of our sister. And here we have a woman beating the drum, the Kete, which has so much effort, and she's putting all that effort into it. Well, in our tradition, in our culture, it's mostly the men who do this. But this lady has also shown that, this woman has also shown that she can do and do it well. It's more like putting all your sadness into something. So let's watch her as she plays. One-week celebration of Nana Yao Daani II, Chief of Suame. NYANSAPO TV brings you education on our tradition, on our culture, how we Ghanaians and Ashanti region do our things. So please subscribe, like and share. A whole lot of people are amazed with how she plays the Kete. The police have taken over again. He's really doing an amazing work. NYANSAPO only bring exclusive and interesting things to you. We give you beautiful and wonderful views. So let's watch him as he performs again. NYANSAPO TV. This is the 1 week of our beloved chief, Daani the second. Please subscribe, like, and share. One of our elders just came to join the dance. He's really dancing the Adwa perfectly. The Adwa dance perfectly. Let's watch him. Our sister has also come to join with her lovely dance steps, the Adwa dance. This is the 1 week celebration of our beloved chief, Daani the second. We are all sad, but this is just the wonderful culture of we Ghanaians in the Ashanti region. NYANSAPO TV, we teach you a lot about our culture. So you subscribe, like, and share. These are our Kete dancers. They only dance the Kete. These are the wonderful steps of our dance, the Kete dance, also known as Adwa. So let's watch our beautiful sisters and mothers. The gentleman who just came in is also part of the Kente dancers, and he's also showing us his own moves of our rich tradition, our rich Ghanaian culture. We are all celebrating and mourning the 1 week of our beloved king, Daani, the second of Suamehene. So let's watch him also perform his own part. You see how lovely the performance is. They're putting so much effort. With a beautiful dance step from the Kete dancers. Beautiful dance steps from Ghana, Ashanti region. This is how beautiful and rich our culture is. Well, we are about to get done with whatever we are doing. So we are having our chiefs and elders leaving. one after the other. This is the picture of our beloved chief, Nana Yao Daani II. And we also have our widow, the wife of our chief. She's greeting them again to leave. She's so sorrowful. She's still crying because she can't bear the pain of her beloved husband leaving her. She's telling her husband to rest in peace, rest in perfect peace. Our widow is leaving, but as she is leaving, she is still performing to the Kete dance. These are a rich culture of Ghana, especially the Ashanti region. Now we have the leader of the Asafo dance group, Kete group. We are having the leader of the Kete dance group. She's here to perform. The amazing thing about her is she speaks to the drum, because the drum speaks to us. It's a language we understand. Now she's dancing to the rhythm of the drum. So let's watch her beautiful performance. This is NYANSAPO TV. You subscribe, like and share for more videos. We bring more videos to you to see our wonderful and interesting culture. Very interesting culture of our people. Thank you very much for your time.